Cookieless is a way to restrict the retrieval of information through cookies, which store website browsing histories. It is also called post-cookie or after-cookie. Cookies are used to store website browsing histories. They are blocks of data sent to web browsers such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox when a user visits a particular website. Analysis of the data contained in cookies reveals how many times users visited websites, their login information, and details of online advertisements displayed. Cookies can be broadly classified into two types. One is first-party cookies issued directly by the operating company of websites accessed by users. The other is third-party cookies issued by third parties, such as advertising companies that display online ads. If first-party cookies are placed on a user's computer, the user does not have to re-enter the information that they previously entered, such as username and password, and can receive information based on their browsing history. On the other hand, by using third-party cookies, it is possible to identify viewing details of online ads and the history of viewing other companies' websites. Through the use of such information, advertisers can display ads for products and services of high interest to users, called retarget ads. Companies can analyze the effectiveness and efficiency of their advertisements as well. Cookieless is a way to restrict the retrieval of information through cookies, also known as post-cookie or after-cookie. From the viewpoint of protecting personal information, the EU and the United States began to legally control the retrieval of information through cookies. Google also decided to disable third-party cookies in Chrome in 2024, and many third-party cookies are expected to disappear in 2024. In addition, Apple has tightened its restrictions on information retrieval through first-party cookies, including a policy to clear website access logs in 7 days. In Japan, the use of cookies is not stringently restricted by law. However, considering the self-imposed restrictions by platforms such as Google and Apple, and the risk of flaming from an ethical standpoint, the use of cookieless is expected to rapidly advance in Japan as well. Digital marketing in Japan is sometimes referred to as retargeting first, where companies have mainly focused on how to efficiently identify customers who are highly interested in their products and services. Customer experience, or CX, has been booming since around 2010. Its feature is to take customer sentiment into consideration, unlike customer relationship management, or CRM. Website browsing history is important in identifying and analyzing user sentiment, and the technology of cookies has been the background of the boom of CX. The technology of cookies is very handy and convenient. Therefore, digital marketing in Japan has relied heavily on them. The arrival of Cookieless is an event that shakes the foundation of digital marketing, which uses CX and retargeting.